Well, hello, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter here, and I got another package from AliExpress. I'm gonna open it, talk about it, show you what I got. This time, I got ties. As I mentioned, I got some ties from AliExpress. This is not the first batch of ties I've got from them. This is from my March 5th order from them. So today is April 7th. So a little over a month to get these in, which is pretty much on par, it seems. So yeah, like I said, ties. I got 2 ties. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but I'll put in the up here somewhere how much I paid. And yeah, I also got a second batch of ties before I started making videos under the Bargain Bounty Hunter tag. I was just buying stuff on AliExpress then, and I'll show you those ties as well. I've actually gotten to wear them a few times, and so yeah. Obviously, if you can tell, if I'm coming back for more ties, I was pretty happy with the first batch. Just so we can talk about the outside of this package. It's just a plastic package. No padding or anything, nothing really special, but it's in pretty decent condition. There's nothing sticking out or hanging out. Doesn't look like anything was damaged. But I'm gonna be extra careful in opening these because I don't want to accidentally cut a tie. So let's see here. Here, actually, let's do this. Instead of looking at me, why don't you look at what I'm doing down here. I'll cut the corner off, see if I can get my finger in there. Oh, man, this is kind of tricky. There we go. Get that out of the way. So here are the 2 ties I ordered. You can see that the ties have come in their own little plastic sleeve. These ties are very similar. There's several different stores on AliExpress that sell ties. I'll put the store name in the video so you can know which store I bought these ones from. They have a very similar design or pattern on them. And I like ties because I'm a person that wears a lot of ties. I wear them for work. I wear them for just around our congregation stuff. So I end up wearing a lot of ties, and I don't like spending a lot of money on ties because I feel like ties get ruined pretty easily, especially if you spend a good amount of time in a tie. So AliExpress is a good outlet for ties for me because I don't worry about getting them ruined. If they get ruined, well, I didn't spend a lot of money. So yeah, we'll just open this red one first. We'll pull it right out of the plastic. And there you can see the tie itself. It is just a red striped tie. I don't know what you'd call that. Is that a checkered pattern or something like that? This is the kind of style of tie I like to wear personally. You can see it has a spot for the tie end to go through. There's no brand or anything on these ties. Nothing at all that kind of identifies anything. It doesn't even give you, oh no, I'm wrong. It does give you a little tag that talks about how these are silk, handmade, dry clean only is what it says. I don't know if they're really silk, but so there's the red one. Let's open up this yellow one. Here's the pattern. Pretty nice look. The yellow and the gray and the black. It's almost identical to the other one. It's just got yellow instead of red. Backside, same thing. Same tag here saying that it is, you can see what it says if I can get my fat fingers to open this thing. Right there, silk, hand wash, dry clean only. Or handmade, sorry, dry clean only. So, yeah. Now for the price, not bad for a pair of ties. Not bad at all. I'll wear these ties probably until they end up getting pretty ruined or stain on them that I can't get out. I know they say dry clean only. I've had a pretty good success hand washing ties in the past. If I get a stain on them, I'll try to use some Dawn or something that will fight grease, rub it into that stain, and then hand wash the tie. Some of them survive, some of them don't. But like I said, if you've only paid a few dollars for the tie, you're not too worried about it. Now, so these are, like I said, the batch that came from the March 5th order. Now, from the January 25th order, I ordered 2 ties as well. Here's the first tie that I ordered from the January 25th. And I have worn this tie already. You can see that it's been worn. It's not as neat and clean looking as the others. I've worn this tie probably 3 or 4 times already since January 25th. It is starting to show. You can see right here, there's a little pull on the fabric, which is not uncommon, especially if you wear a tie bar, and I do like to wear tie bars. I don't wear tie pins, I wear tie bars, and that can happen on occasion. Sometimes you can get in there with a pair of scissors and kind of trim it nice and close like that, and it'll be okay. But usually once you start to get pulls, it's a downward spiral from there. So, but like I said, an inexpensive tie. So I've worn this one, I believe 3 or 4 times. It's still in okay shape. This one here, I've only worn once. This was from the 25th, the January 25th order as well. Reason I only wore it once is because I was saving it for a special occasion, which was last night. And I was planning on wearing this with a suit that I had for a special meeting that we had. But because of the epidemic that's going on, or the pandemic, whatever it is, I was almost thinking I might not be able to wear this, but I was able to wear it. I just wore it in a Zoom meeting instead of in person, so still worked out. But I've only worn this tie once, and it's still in pretty good condition, as you can see. There's no stains or pulls even or anything like that. And I did wear it with a tie bar. So yeah, it just, yeah, those are the 2 ties I got from January 25th. So ties on AliExpress, let me put this back up here. There you go. So ties on AliExpress, I would give a good high score to, because of the fact that they're inexpensive. You don't have to worry about them. They don't appear to be cheaply made or anything. I mean, they obviously are, but for what you're getting, you know, if you wore this tie for a year and then it was trashed, you only spent a couple bucks. So to me, that's a good trade-off. Even if it was just, because like I said, guys who wear ties a lot, for work or for whatever it may be, they know that ties get trashed so easily. So having something that you don't have to worry about, you're not like, ah, man, I just ruined a $20 tie. No, you ruined a tie that was only a couple bucks. So you just go on and get a couple more. So yeah, and there's a ton of stores on AliExpress that have ties, so check them out. But yeah, so that's what I have for today. Ties. I have more stuff ordered, quite a bit more stuff ordered. So we'll see when that comes in. I'll do some review videos and unboxings on that as well. But if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video and hit the bell icon so you're notified on our new videos when they come out. And if you do those 3 things and you let me know in the comment section below that you did, I'll send you out some stickers. Right now I have Mandalorian stickers and I have The Office TV show stickers. So let me know, all right? Thanks for watching, and until next time.